Hey guys, what's up? It's Ryan Hartney with Sufmato Real Estate. Today we're going to talk about an escalation clause. It's probably one of the lesser used clauses, but probably one of the most powerful and will get you more deals if you can explain it to your clients and use it effectively for your own purposes. So basically, in a multiple offer situation, let's say listing price is 150 grand. You know it's going for over ask, but you want to get an offer in any way. Um, you can basically lock in your ceiling without possibly paying up to that ceiling based on the other offers that are coming in. So basically, what this does is it tells the seller that you will agree to pay. In this case, let's just put $1,000 because that's carries more weight. You'll offer $1,000 over the next highest offer that they have. So say it's listed at $150, you're willing to go to 200. You say, listen, Mr. Seller, I agree to sell, or excuse me, I agree to buy for $1,000 over whatever the next highest offer you have is. So they got three offers, 165, 175, and 180. If you attach this clause to your contract and the 180 offer doesn't, and the seller is willing to accept it, you're going to buy this property for $181,000, and you're going to beat out that $180,000 offer. You usually put in a ceiling of 200 grand or whatever you want, but in this case it's 200 grand. So, you won't go above that, but you're also locking in maybe a little bit of savings if you can just go to the 181. So you're going to add it to the down payment. You can put multiple escalations to be authorized, not to exceed the maximum of $200,000. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a great clause that can really be used well if used safely. A lot of realtors don't use it, and a lot of realtors lose a lot of deals over it. So check it out. Explain it to your clients. Hope it helps.